quality healthcare services by understanding the needs and expectation of all service user, prioritizing their safety policy, treatment, and education. Holisticality, strengthening, holisticality, advancing and technological environment, innovation, delivering from
So sorry.
services with high quality response. Ang hirap.
Ano bang ginagawa mo?
Nag-ano ako, pinapamemorize sa amin to eh.
Mga kailan mo may memorize?
Pag ano na, nakaka-memorize na ako, pag tumayo ako, nawawala eh.
O wag kang tumayo, mawawala na naman yan.